What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,000 likes if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And guys, I want to tell you right now, I did buy some SoFi shares today. Just like I was planning the last three videos, everything that we've been saying has been happening. I told you, basically nothing was going to happen with the stock last week because of those excessive call options. And look at that. As soon as those call options got evaporated on Friday, we just rapidly move up Monday out of nowhere. So I definitely bought in the morning. I wish I would have bought last week, of course, on Friday. I just didn't have the funds to do so. And guys, we're the #1 YouTube channel out there covering the SoFi stock the past 2 years. You need to be buying all of your shares on the SoFi Invest platform right now. So be sure to click the link in my comment section. I have it posted there for you guys. You're going to get $25 worth of your favorite stock to start building up your portfolio when you fund your SoFi Active Invest account with at least $10. So you deposit $10, they're going to hook you up with $25. You can almost buy 5 shares of SoFi right now for free. So everybody should be hopping on this invest platform. I haven't bought shares on Robinhood in probably over a year, guys. This is where I'm putting all of my, long-term portfolio, etc. So be sure to sign up for the SoFi Invest platform and get your free shares today. All right, guys, we can see that SoFi was ripping today, 6.7%. We were up about 8% at one point. I bought today right around, I believe, 507, 508. I was looking for a pullback, back under 5, but I was just watching the stock for like a few minutes, and, I just wasn't seeing it. I was seeing more and more strength, so I decided to buy in at like 508. That was about 2.5, maybe 3% green, and then we went all the way up to 8% today. So it was a good buy on my part. I wish I would have bought, pre-market. And guys, we went up about 8%, so we had about a 1.5% pullback. So great strength inside of the stock. The S&P 500 was actually flat today. Dow finished red. NASDAQ was green. Russell small cap. This is what we want to see. SoFi is technically a small cap right now. We want to see this bounce back because Russell 2000, it's been about 2 years, guys, of nothing for these small caps. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So check this out. Apple had a red day today, pretty red, about 0.5%. Also, Amazon 1% red. So these are, top 3, top 4 mega caps in, the world right now, both flat. But if we go over to Webull, we can see the small caps absolutely exploding. Pagaya, IonQ, Upstart. Look at some of these stocks. Look, $1, 17 cents, under $1, $1.30. So a lot of small caps are coming back. Lemonade, GameStop, Neo, Fisker, Roku. None of these companies, aren't even over, $20 billion, So it looks like small caps is finally, getting their rally. And look, guys, we're falling about 140 growth stocks on here, and SoFi finished at about 20. So not a bad day for SoFi. Some nice bounce back. And guys, another reason why I feel like, this is a great buying opportunity for SoFi. It's different from a lot of other stocks because we actually have a major catalyst like that's been built up for 3+ years, and that is those student loans. And we could be potentially getting some news in the next week about a startup date or something like that, and then the loans begin 60 days later. So that's why I was really aggressive buying this morning because I don't want to miss it. Once that news drops, maybe after hours or something like that, this stock could rip 15-20%, and you're going to lose out on opportunity for more gains in the future. So student loans, you don't know when it's going to happen. That news could be coming at any given moment. That's why I'm buying more shares, these past 1 to 2 weeks. All right, guys, SoFi is set to participate in upcoming investor conferences. You will be getting that on this channel whenever you guys, get off of work, or if you have a lunch break. We're going to be posting those, and we can see the first one coming up is JP Morgan on the 24th, 12 o'clock. I'll have that posted on the YouTube channel. Piper Sandler's coming up June 7th, and then we have Morgan Stanley. So these are 3 key analysts that are all following the stock. I believe every single one of them are holding of shares of the SoFi stock in their portfolios as well. So more and more good news. All right, guys, and we're going to go to Data-Driven Investing, his Twitter. This is some great news that we're seeing right now, guys. SoFi is now the 114th largest bank in the USA as of March 31st. So that's the end of Q1. Looks like they updated every 3 months. This is going off of assets. So it's up from 149 on December 31st, 2022 and 449 on March 31st, 2022. So we're going to break all this down so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see this is the largest banks by assets. And as of Q1, SoFi is ranked 114th as of March 31st. And then we have the 149 on December 31st, 2022, 3 months back, and then 1 year back, 449. Okay, so check this out, guys. SoFi increased 300 spots and banks by assets in 12 months. 300 spots. That's insane. And went up 35 spots just this Q1, guys. So you can see this is updated on the Federal Reserve statistical release. We can see here March 31st, and you got your top 5 by assets right now, just so anybody can get the updates. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo, US Bank, Truist, PNC, Goldman. So that's the top 8 right there. So this is, these are massive companies, okay? We're talking 500 billion, 500, 4 of them with 500 billion in assets, and then everybody else over a trillion. So this is going to take a long time to get there, but it's not going to take a long time for us to get into the top 50 to top 100. We can see right here, SoFi Bank. Where are we at? Where are we at? SoFi. 114 for SoFi. Look at that, guys. It says updated 13 billion in assets, and look, just getting to 107, that's just to get to 14 billion. So we could literally be jumping up a massive amount of spots in Q2. It's possibility we could get into the top 100 with 15.7 billion in assets. So guys, SoFi, absolutely insane growth since they got this bank charter. The big one that stands out for me is the 300 spot increase in 12 months. Imagine another 2 years from now where we're going to be at, guys. I mean, is 50 billion a possibility? Where is 50 billion at? 50 billion would put us to top 50, the 43rd largest bank by assets. If we can get to 50 billion, okay, that could be happening in the next 2 years or so. Okay, so SoFi is growing extremely rapidly, and the digital banking is going to turn a profit. You don't need brick and mortar buildings to turn a profit in this business. Okay, you need technology, you need the cost savings, you need wide diversified amount of products. That's exactly what SoFi is going for, and we think. And you guys can tell that SoFi sees a massive opportunity not only in student loans, but the mortgage industry. Buying up Wyndham Capital. Okay, that could be happening in the back end of the year. Q4 we could see student loans and mortgages bounce back, and 2024 could be an awesome year for SoFi, guys. I think this year is going to be awesome, but next year could be absolutely stellar if student loans and mortgages are back to getting close to like pre-pandemic levels and stuff like that. And guys, you can see right here, May 22nd, you can see I bought another $5,000 worth of SoFi. So I've been buying very rapidly the past week or so. I think the fives was just a gold mine after those Q1 earnings that were pretty stellar, increased guidance, record adjusted EBITDA. There was just a lot of bearish headlines going out there, and you got to capitalize when nasty headlines go out like that about SoFi not selling their loans for Q1, and that's why I wanted to take advantage. So once again, be sure to click the link in my comment section and make sure you sign up for the SoFi Invest platform to get your free shares of SoFi if you deposit $10. You shouldn't be trading on Robinhood no more, okay? It's just an options trading platform, okay? You can do everything on SoFi, guys, and if you're a SoFi investor, you should hold your money in SoFi. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. As you can see, SoFi is growing at an extreme pace. Updated filings from the Federal Reserve. We are, heading for top 100 bank potentially this quarter, Q2. I mean, we are growing massively. When you go from 400 plus to top 100 in 15 months, doesn't that tell you something is happening extremely fast, a digital shift? A lot of people are going to be very upset that they did not take advantage of SoFi at these levels, because when it happens, I keep telling everybody, it's going to happen fast because the large institutions are going to finally pull the trigger. I mean, you got institutions that, are holding some growth stocks at, $5 billion worth of shares, for one institution. That's the size of SoFi. That's what it could grow to in the next couple of years. I mean, someone could literally have that amount invested in SoFi for just one company, okay? One institution. So when it happens, they just continue to add when they see good things happen, profitability, acquisitions, more growth. And right now, nobody's selling. We already checked, Vanguard, BlackRock, GOD Capital, and there's another one. They're just buying or holding. Nobody's selling, okay? The only people that are really selling are just traders, paper handlers and stuff like that. That's what brings the stock down, off these bad news, and etc. So once again, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and get the channel to 15,000 subscribers in the next couple of months. Be sure to smash the like button. Don't forget to drop a comment, and be sure to sign up for the SoFi Invest platform in my comment section. Everybody should be, putting all of their money in the SoFi Invest platform if you are investing in SoFi shares. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.